Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. How are you? Hope to Almighty Allah that you will be fine and enjoying the blessing of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss a very vital topic about education. I think it provides the base what is measurement, assessment, and evaluation. This is if I ask some layman what is assessment, what is measurement, and evaluation, the question is only one. Uh, that what is examination when we take the examination from the students and get and declare the results, that is called assessment or evaluation. But these are some simple terms, and there is minutely difference between these terms. First of all, we see that what is the test, what is measurement, what is assessment, and what is evaluation. All these things in general are about the current status of the society, current status of the learning difficulties, current status of the quality of school, current status about the review of material, what kind of review is being studied in the class, what are the instructional decisions. Either the students are ready to move to the next grade, either the students have uh, got the learning objectives or got those things which is necessary to move them to the next grade. ये तो हमारे सिंपल टर्म्स हैं जो हमारे इस्तेमाल होती हैं जब हम किसी भी ले मैन से पूछते हैं, एक आम आदमी से पूछते हैं, तो हमें बताता है कि हमने एग्ज़ाम देना है, मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्लास, मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्लास, इन विच ग्रेड्स, हमने बच्चों को ग्रेड्स जो हैं वो अलॉट करने हैं. तो ये सारी चीज़ें फॉल अंडर measurement, assessment, and evaluation. Now I would like to discuss in detail about these terms. What is assessment? Assessment is a broader term than measurement. Assessment means the process of collection of data to understand state or condition of thing or issue by observation and measurement. It has already been discussed by me that assessment means to discuss the current status. What are the issues the student face in the class? What the student have learned? What are the difficulties faced by the students? What kind of instructional decision the teacher or the administration should take about the class? Either the students are ready to move to the next class. These are all fall under the criteria of assessment. It is broad term than including assessment. A test is a form of assessment too. What is test? Test is a set pattern of questions which is asked to assess the students. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम कोई पेपर ले लेते हैं, तो वो जो पेपर होता है दैट इज उसके अंदर जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उसको हम टेस्ट का नाम देते हैं, सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस को. थ्रू दिस एविडेंस ऑफ द स्टूडेंट अचीवमेंट कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड एंड एवेलुएटेड. आल्सो इट कलेक्ट information with respect to objective or goals. And assessment would be both qualitative and quantitative. Now we talk about measurement. Measurement, it is simply referred as the process assigning number. For example, the student A has got 80 marks out of 100. This is measurement. The student X got 49 marks out of 100. This is measurement. Means when the teacher assign the number or symbol to the objects, it is called measurement. For example, if we go to the shop and we purchase 2 liters of milk, it is measurement. Right? It is used to categorize and quantify variables. It helps to quantify individual achievements, personality, attitude, habits, and skills. When we rate all these habits, skills, and attitude of an individual, that is called measurement. It involves quantification of observable phenomena. Means we are going to give the number to observable phenomena, and it is performed on the physical world by observer. Here, information collected about the characteristics and attributes of things can be determined and differentiated. Means the teacher is going to collect the information and quantify those information about the particular students. It means measurement. अगर हम इसे सिंपली उर्दू में ट्रांसलेट करें तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि मेजरमेंट बुनियादी तौर पे नाप तोल का नाम है। जब हम किसी भी बच्चे को नंबर असाइन करते हैं कि उसके 50 नंबर हैं, उसके 80 नंबर हैं, उसके 100 नंबर हैं, तो इट्स मीन वी आर डूइंग मेजरमेंट। ये शॉर्टर टर्म है एज कंपेयर टू असेसमेंट। असेसमेंट इससे ब्रॉडर टर्म है क्योंकि असेसमेंट में क्वांटिटी एंड क्वालिटी दोनों आ रही हैं, यहाँ पे सिर्फ क्वांटिटी आ रही है। नाउ वी मूव टुवर्ड्स एवेलुएशन। Evaluation is the broadest of all these terms. It is the process in which both measurement and assessment falls. It includes a series of steps such as establishing objectives, classifying objectives, defining objectives, selecting indicator, and comparing data with objectives. This is all evaluation. It is concerned with making judgment on the worth or value of the performance to answer the questions. For example, if the student secured 80 marks, at what level he stands in the class? What grade is assigned by that student? Is being assigned by that students. उसको ग्रेड क्या मिला है, वो क्लास में किस लेवल पे स्टैंड कर रहा है। इट इज आल्सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑब्टेनिंग, एनालाइजिंग एंड इंटरप्रेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन टू डिटरमिन द एक्सटेंट टू विच स्टूडेंट अचीव इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। और क्या 80% नंबर लेने से स्टूडेंट के जो हमारे एक्सपेक्टेड लर्निंग आउटकम्स थे, क्या वो ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीव हुए? क्या हमने वो ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीव कर लिए? दिस इज एवेल्युएशन। फॉर एग्जांपल, एक हमने टेस्ट बनाया एंड 50 स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ वन क्लास ईच सिक्योर्ड more than 80% marks in that paper. Now the question is, what is the rating of that question? That every student is getting maximum marks. Why? This falls under evaluation. क्योंकि हमने टेस्ट की भी तो एवेल्युएशन करनी होती है ना, कि एक स्टूडेंट जो है वो किस लेवल पे जाके चीज़ों को ट्रीट कर रहा है, एक स्टूडेंट इतने नंबर क्यों ले रहा है, उसकी रीज़न क्या है, क्या वो इस नंबर लेने से उसके इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीव हो जाएंगे। आपने अमूमन देखा होगा कि आजकल हमारा CGPA चल रहा है। ये CGPA जो है इट फॉल अंडर एवेल्युएशन, जिसमें हम क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी दोनों को मेजर कर रहे हैं। हियर कम types or forms of assessment. There are almost 4 types of assessment. Number 1 है placement assessment. What is the level of students and where the teacher has to start the instruction of that particular student. Means स्टूडेंट जो है वो किस लेवल पे स्टार्ट कर रहा है, उसके पास प्रीवियस कितना नॉलेज है, और स्टूडेंट ने और टीचर ने उस स्टूडेंट को कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है। दिस इज प्लेसमेंट। फॉर्मेटिव मीन्स कंटिन्यूअस असेसमेंट, like in semester system, assignments, midterm, this is all formative assessment. Diagnostic, it is little bit different from formative. What is this? In which the teacher detect people's learning difficulties which are not revealed by the formative test. This is broader, as I earlier told, that formative assessment is broader than diagnostic. In formative, we only judge how much score, how much position he has got. In diagnostic, we, along with scoring, marking, we judge the learning difficulties which the student have faced during formative assessment. And at the final stage, there is summative. It is overall annual or at the end of semester. It determines the extent to which objectives of the instruction has been attained and used by assigning grades and marks and to provide feedback to the students. Summative assessment is the overall assessment of that particular period in which the student has given the learning instruction. Placement is at the start, formative is the continuous, diagnostic to judge the learning difficulties, and summative is at the end of the semester. These are the types or forms of assessment. Now, here is a little definition of test. Test is a set of questions, as I have already told you people, that test is a set of questions. An instrument or systematic procedure for measuring a sample of behavior posing a set of questions in a uniform manner. हम जो क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाते हैं that is called test. There are several types of such as classroom, standardized. There are many types of tests which will be discussed later. Just for your understanding, test means the question paper which the teacher made to judge the learning outcomes of the student. That is called test. That set of questions. Now, here are the minute difference between assessment, measurement, and evaluation. First of all, as I have earlier told that measurement at the left side, there is measurement. Measurement is the method of giving score to learner after taking test on any topic, e.g. 50 out of 100, as I have earlier told you people. That measurement is the method of giving score to the learners. It is very narrow concept. The first and the foremost task of determining competency is carried out by measurement. Just if we want to determine the competency of particular student, we measure and give him the scores. Now here is assessment. Assessment means analyzing the change in the syllabus or enlargement or refinement is decided. Assessment उर्दू में इसे जांच को कहते हैं. What is assessment? जांच करना, क्वालिटी की जांच करना, क्वांटिटी की जांच करना. This is broader concept than measurement. It is the middle stage of determining competency. Measurement is the first level to determine the competency. Assessment is middle level of determining competency, and now the evaluation. The final judgment taken on the basis of assessment is called evaluation. Sorry, here is a word of missing. The final judgment taken on the basis of assessment is called evaluation. Evaluation is based on assessment because both qualitative and quantitative nature is adopted here. Concept of evaluation is broadest of all the three. Evaluation deals with the final task of determining competency among the learners. It deals with the final task of determining competency. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, इसमें हम मेजर कर देते हैं कि ये स्टूडेंट अगर 80 नंबर लिए हैं तो क्लास में किस पोजीशन पे खड़ा है, गुड है, बैड है, फेयर है, एवरेज है, all kind of norms we can use. This is called evaluation. Hope that you will understand the basic difference between measurement, assessment, and evaluation. Just in one sentence, measurement means to score the numbers. Assessment means to judge the competency, either good or bad, and evaluation. Both measurement and assessment is used in evaluation. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.